everyone, welcome to my first shopping haul video. I am sorry, I was supposed to do a DIY, but I had a rough work week and did not feel like it, and that is the honest truth. So instead, I had to go shopping for some fall decor and a few necessities anyway, so I figured why not do a shopping haul video. It's gonna be fairly quick because I wasn't able to find a whole lot, but I went to 3 stores and I'm gonna show you what I got. So first store, Dollar Tree, we're gonna start there. I have a few DIYs in mind for fall. I'm gonna make a wreath, so I got one of these floral wreath rings here. And some sprigs of leaves. I got 6 of them. Some of them have berries and there's a pumpkin there. So what my plan is to paint these. I'm gonna spray paint the leaves, probably paint the berries and the pumpkin white, add some glitter, and glue them onto this. Now, if you go to a retail store for a wreath about this size, you're gonna probably pay about $15. I'm making this for about $7. I got 6 of these. So yeah, about $7, plus I already have glitter and paint. So factor in that, so $7 and some change, maybe $8, half the price. So you gotta think outside the box. Anything that you wanna craft, I would try Dollar Tree first or some kind of dollar store in your area. Can't go wrong. So that is DIY idea number 1 that I went shopping for. I went through my box of stuff I have for fall already that I've had for many years to see if I could, repurpose them. Glam them up a bit, and all I found were a couple of pumpkins and some loose fall leaves. Everything else was just kind of eh. So I got a few more pumpkins. I got this one here. Grab my other one. I have an idea for this one that I actually found at HomeGoods. The idea, not the pumpkin. The pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree, but I saw something at HomeGoods that gave me an idea that I'm gonna do for this. So stay tuned for that. It's definitely not gonna stay looking like this. I am gonna paint it, glue some stuff to it, make it glam. Then I got these 3, which I'll do the same thing too. I'll paint them, glitter them up, make a cute centerpiece for one of my tables. So there's that. Then I don't know what my plan is for this yet. I might add them to the wreath. These are actually clips, but I don't think I'm gonna use them as clips. I can't imagine what I would clip them onto, but I plan on glamming these up as well, and we'll see what I end up doing with them. Don't know yet. Then I found this thankful sign. It is a hanging sign, but I am not gonna hang it. I will more than likely take this off, paint it, put some glitter on it on both sides, and display it on a table with some candles or something. You can't beat it for $1. I mean, I have found similar things like this at Burlington Coat Factory with glitter, and they were charging about $7.99 to $9.99 for them, depending on the size. And I'm gonna make my own for just $1 and some change. So always, always, always check out your local dollar store for ideas. Okay, next fall item came from HomeGoods. This was the only item I was able to find from HomeGoods. And it's this super pretty glam pumpkin. I've been wanting one of these. I kind of wanted a set, like a big one and a small one, but I was only able to find this one. And that's okay, because once I glam up these pumpkins, they'll look good next to each other. But I love the pearl detail and these sparkly beaded, like diamond looking beads. It was only $14.99. Didn't find a whole lot at HomeGoods because the cashier said they have to put a lot less out for social distancing. They want to maintain safety, not having so much out where there's a lot of hands touching them that they have to worry about cleaning off. And also he said that the more they have out, the more people are gathered around. So the less they have out and the more they have it spread out, and the less items they have, it's more people I'm not saying this right at all. It's less people next to each other and less people touching things. So that's why I wasn't able to find too much there, but I was glad to find this. So it's a good find. And Dollar Tree, oh, I forgot. That was all the fall stuff, but also at Dollar Tree, I needed some kitchen towels. So I got 4 of those in my kitchen colors, and soap dispenser that I'm gonna put like a rhinestone ribbon around. I wanted plastic so that in case it got knocked over, it wouldn't shatter. And I'm gonna put either dish soap or hand soap, or maybe even hand sanitizer, I don't know, but I wanted a little dispenser to put next to the sink, and I got a napkin holder. So that's everything at the Dollar Tree and everything fall. Last store I went to was Burlington. I needed some curtain rods and curtains. So for my bedroom, because it's hot, all I have are blinds up and the sun is coming in and heating up the room. So I got these. See how pretty that design is? I actually have a vase in my room in that similar design, so I thought that was perfect. These are 28 by 48. I don't know for sure if it's gonna fit one of my windows. I'll find out, and if not, I can take it back. But these were only $13.99 each, which is a good deal because I tried finding some on Amazon and they costed like double this price. So for Burlington, you can't beat that. And then I got these shimmery gray curtains. They are grommet curtains and they're kind of thick. So I think that they'll block the sun out pretty good. And they are 38 by 95, so they're pretty long. They're gonna sweep the floor, which I like. And they're only $14.99 each, so 30 bucks for 2 of these, which contains 2 panels. So I got 4 panels for $30. I bought some curtains on Amazon that were the same length, but only 2 panels for like $40. So this is a really good deal. So that's it. That completes my shopping haul. I hope that you enjoyed that. Yeah, so my next videos will be DIY. I have a few things that I can make. And I also have a plan to paint again, another canvas glitter art for a wall that is driving me crazy because it's blank. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah, more videos to come, but thank you for stopping by and watching my first shopping haul. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.